Remote desktop software is now common for people who need to open a file from the home office or check on work while they are away and still traveling for work. Most tools can do this basic job fine, but they do not offer many advanced options. Remotely works differently for users. It's not just a tool for moving folders around. It uses hardware acceleration, direct GPU streaming, and the best encryption algorithms to deliver an experience that truly feels like a game changer. Whether you're doing serious office tasks or playing PC games in clear 4K HDR quality, this software is meant to go beyond normal limits today. So in this video, we'll show you how it works step by step and how to reach your PC anywhere. Starting things off, we need to look at how we set up the foundation for this experience. To get the best results on a Windows PC, we begin by downloading the Remotely app. While many tools allow for a quick connection via an ID, we found that for full control, it's best to install the program with admin privileges on the host machine and log into both PCs with your credentials. We have found that making a free Remotely account is the most important step because it creates a secure link between our two machines. This account-based bridge is incredibly customer-friendly. P2P connections are unlimited, and every user gets 4 GB of Connect Anywhere cloud transfer per month for free, with the option to buy more without needing a full subscription. Once the apps are running and our account is signed in, the connection is ready. When we link up, the app opens a window that shows the video and plays the audio from our remote PC right there on our local screen. To take over the controls, we just move our mouse into the video area. Remotely is designed for ultra-low power consumption, so even lower-powered laptops won't make those annoying fan noises while connected to a powerful remote machine. The host does all the heavy lifting. At that point, every movement and key we press goes across the web to manage the remote PC just like we were sitting in the chair at home. We noticed that if we need to use our local computer again, we just move the mouse out of the Remotely window. While using this windowed mode, we see a row of buttons at the top, right there. These help us stay in control, letting us use the mic for chat or open the options menu to lock the system, disconnect, or send a Control-Alt-Delete command. Furthermore, we then toggle between different screens if the remote system has more than one monitor, which is great for our big projects. We also have quick access to the quality levels and general settings right there. One part we really like is the Game Mode button, made just for when we want to stop working and start playing. When we go into full screen, all these tools stay on a panel at the top. We found that if the panel disappears, we can hit Ctrl+M to see it again. We can even slide that panel left or right by dragging the logo so it stays out of the way. When playing a full-screen game, the app hides the panel on its own so we can focus on the action. Moving on from the setup, let's explain how we actually connect a second PC to the network. We start by making sure Remotely is open on the host computer and that the status shows we are logged in. We enter our credentials to log in, which ensures we're using a secure account-level bridge rather than just a basic connection ID. Then we go to the PC we are using to remote in and open it there too. We put in our username and password to get inside. Once we are logged in, we click the Devices icon on the left side menu. This shows us a list of every computer connected to our account. We look for the one that says it is ready to connect, click the 3 dots for the menu, and choose the Connect option. Before the connection even starts, Remotely performs a unique security analysis of the person connecting. It checks and informs the host about the email ID, country, and IP score, and it will even warn you if a user is hidden behind a VPN. This is backed by the most secure connection IDs on the market, 14-character strings that would take 31.7 trillion years to guess at a rate of 1 attempt per second. As it starts to link, a pop-up shows us that the connection is being made. In just a few seconds, the desktop of our remote PC shows up in a window. Now we can start controlling everything and even play our favorite games. However, we must talk about a key security feature we really value. To keep our computers safe, every new device trying to connect for the first time must be authorized. This means we have to go to the host PC once to confirm we trust the new device. Beyond managing our own devices, Remotely features a safe and clever invitation system. If we want to grant someone else temporary access to our PC, we can send a secure invitation link directly through the app. It's a small task, but it makes us feel safe knowing no one can enter our system without permission. After that's done, we have full access to use the PC however we want with great speed. Since we brought up gaming, we want to show you how this software keeps up with the heavy demands of modern titles. Most apps stop at 60 FPS, but remotely hits 120 FPS in 4K with HDR, so it really handles those big AAA games well. In our own tests, we got 0 milliseconds of lag on P2P, and only about 4 to 5 milliseconds through a relay, which is actually faster than using the basic Windows screen sharing tool. A great feature for hanging out is the multi-join mode, where 4 people can jump onto one host to play local co-op games over the web. You can share your own games with friends who haven't bought them yet, or even use a mobile device to play heavy PC games that don't usually run on phones. It's so well made that it still runs on Windows 7 without a problem. Usually, we just click the button in the top right or hit Ctrl plus F11 to go full screen and get that total immersion. If a game happens to be running in a window, you can just click the top icon to force it into game mode. That flexibility, plus the ability for anyone to host their own free relay server, makes Remotely a really solid choice. We believe Remotely is a top choice because it makes remote access feel fast and high quality instead of slow. The 4K HDR and the simple game mode make it great for both work and play. If you want a safe and steady way to reach your computer anywhere, we suggest you try it out. Take a look at it today and see how it works for your needs.